So I think I'm at a crossroads here. Instead of repairing, well, I'm going to repair both of them, but instead of replacing both boards, I think I'm just going to replace the smaller because it's broken. Got a chunk taken out of it. So I'm going to replace this one with the laser. And then I'm using the commercial copper clad and the spray paint technique to burn the board. The larger one, I'm going to try to repair the circuit board, the PCB. Use some wire and solder it on there. And then as far as the components, since I cannot find what kind of op amp the board uses, as a T2747, something like that, by Toshiba. It was a proprietary amplifier for boosting the signal coming off of the stator. Probably has a different name, but it's basically an electrical pickup, and then that signal gets amplified with the 9-pin op amp. Cannot find it, so I'm gonna have to probably build one and redesign the whole circuit. But in the meantime, I'm just going to put the old one back in it and replace the capacitors, rebuild the boards, get the bike running, and then as time progresses, I will redesign the board with modern components and build a more recent updated board. But that's where we're at right now, and I'm not completely done with this project, but I do want to at least get it buttoned back up. So we will see where it goes. After the circuit board thing, I'm going to get on to cleaning the carburetor. I'm just going to soak them, and I'm going to tear it down and soak it in Pine Sol. I'm going to soak it in Pine Sol for a couple of days and call it good. But that's next. So I bought new handle mounted pieces like the turn signals, the horn, the push start button, and they all have different colored wires. But that's not that big of an issue, but I do have to get them wired, so that's in the future too. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it. I've got more content coming, and I really, really, really appreciate you watching the videos. So thank you, like, subscribe, and I'm gonna get to making more videos.